Now, the second part, the middle layer of the eye, that is the choroid coat. Now, the choroid coat has a pigmented layer or a flap sort of structure here. We call it iris. Iris gives color to the eye. These two are the layers of iris. In between the iris, from the middle of the iris, the light is allowed to enter the eye, and this portion is called pupil. Pupil and iris, they both work as the shutter of camera. Whenever we enter into an area of bright light, automatically the iris expands, the pupil becomes small because our eyes are not habitual to very bright light. Because our eyes are not habitual of very bright light. Similarly, when we enter to a place with very dim light, automatically the iris squeezes and the pupil enlarges and we are able to see within that dim light. Iris is responsible for the color of eye. In between this portion is filled up with a jelly-like fluid that is transparent, and we call it aqueous humor. Aqueous humor basically helps to bulge this cornea out and to focus the light entering inside the eye to the pupil so that the light can enter into the internal part of the eye. Now, this behind the iris, we have eye lens. Eye lens is a transparent pouch filled with transparent jelly-like substance, have a shape of convex lens. This lens is held in its place with the help of few muscles. We call them ciliary muscles. So, this is eye lens. And these are ciliary muscles. Function of ciliary muscles we will discuss afterwards. Now this middle portion is filled with a fluid which is grayish in color, and this is called vitreous humor. Here we have aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is transparent and vitreous humor has grey color.